Alright, so I just arrived at the Run to the Sun car show, and there are cars everywhere. There are so many to see. Holy cow. There's no way I'm going to be able to film all of this, but you can just kind of take in the expanse. There used to be a mall here years ago, and when they demolished the mall, they left this land open. And afterwards, people have festivals here all the time, whether it's motorcycle shows or car shows or fairs. But that's what this land's used for now. Pretty awesome. Alright, so I'm at the car show and running into Mr. Tertessa. Hey! And we saw this Volkswagen right away, and I thought, man, if Dad could see this, he would just slobber all over himself. This is a pretty looking vehicle right here. There's a lot of pretty vehicles here, but look at this. This is kind of cool. Got a luggage rack on here. It's only got 2 tensioners, one on each side, and everything's rubberized to touch paint. That way everything stays off the paint. You can take it off with no problem. But it's a nice slick finish here. They did a good job. This is really nice. I even like the way it sits. It sits nice and low. Pretty darn cool. There's all kinds of cars here, and you will literally break your neck looking around at it. There's so much to look at.
I had a wagon.
There's something about this that just strikes a chord with me. I don't know what it is. Simple, cool, low to the ground. Right next to it,
Sure. Smell the leather on it. You stick your head in there.
this is where if you had smell-o-vision.
Beautiful.
Yeah, pretty that.
To see another car like this.
That sounds good.
I just bought a